I saw a witness on the stand today in former President Trump's hush money trial.
Former attorney Michael Cohen is telling the court that Trump was aware that reimbursement checks were falsified to conceal payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels. Connor Hansen has the update.
One of the most highly anticipated moments of former President Donald Trump's criminal hush money trial is here. Trump's ex-attorney Michael Cohen takes the stand. Prosecutors questioned Cohen about his work for Trump during the 2016 campaign to keep negative stories out of the press. That included a $130,000 payment to Stormy Daniels.
Got no evidence, and I'm innocent.
Cohen testified that Trump directed him to stop Stormy's alleged affair story from getting out, or at least be delayed until after the election, suggesting that was Trump's sole motivation, not to keep it from his family.
Ultimately, Michael Cohen was involved with these deals. Donald Trump was his boss. So there's no question about the fact that these deals occurred.
Because of his gag order, Trump is barred from speaking about Cohen publicly. But others have suggested the jury could have trouble believing his testimony.
Of course, Michael Cohen is literally a convicted liar, so it's a huge risk for the prosecution to put him on.
Several Republican lawmakers vying for Trump's vice president spot sat in on court to support Trump and to denounce the trial.
Does any reasonable, sensible person believe anything that Michael Cohen says? I don't think that they should, and I actually think that his testimony is going to hurt with any reasonable juror.
Tuesday, Trump will reportedly attend a high-dollar fundraiser in New York hosted by several billionaires, including the owner of the New York Jets. In New York, Connor Hansen, Fox 32, Chicago.